Welcome back to Gardening and Farming. Today let's talk about making your garden a true reflection of you. A garden isn't just about plants, it's about memories, creativity, and personal touches. I'll show you 12 easy DIY ideas to upgrade your space using simple, everyday materials. If you love creating a home and garden that tells your story, subscribe for more inspiration. Let's dive in and make something beautiful together. First up, let's explore the vertical pallet planter, a rustic, practical way to grow more in less space, and a fantastic project for gardeners of any skill level. This clever idea transforms an ordinary wooden pallet into a lush, living wall, perfect for those who want to maximize their growing area without sacrificing style. Start by finding a heat-treated pallet. Look for the HT stamp to ensure it's safe for gardening. Give it a good clean and sand down any rough edges to avoid splinters. Next, staple landscape fabric inside the slats to create deep planting pockets. This step is key for holding soil and keeping your plants happy. With the pallet lying flat, fill each pocket generously with high-quality potting soil. Take your time to press the soil in firmly, making sure there are no air gaps. This will give your plants a strong foundation to grow healthy roots. Now comes the fun part, planting. Choose herbs like rosemary, thyme, and mint for a fragrant, edible display, or add trailing flowers for a burst of color. Mix and match your favorites to create a living work of art that reflects your personality and taste. Once planted, carefully stand the pallet upright against a sunny wall. Water thoroughly, making sure every pocket is moist. Over time, your upcycled statement piece will flourish, turning a simple pallet into a vibrant vertical garden. It's amazing to see the transformation, from a forgotten piece of wood to a vertical garden bursting with life and character. Each plant adds its own charm, creating a tapestry of textures and colors. This simple project brings both beauty and function to your space, making it feel more alive and inviting. It's a great way to personalize your garden no matter how small. The best part? It's perfect for small gardens, balconies, or patios where every inch counts. Even if you only have a tiny outdoor area, you can still enjoy a lush, productive garden. Use what you have on hand, recycled materials, leftover seeds, or cuttings from friends. Get creative with your design and let your garden tell a unique story of renewal and resourcefulness. This project is all about making the most of your available space. Arrange several planters together to create a lush green wall, or tuck one into a sunny corner to brighten up your outdoor area. As your plants thrive, enjoy the scents and colors that fill the air. There's nothing quite like brushing your hand through fresh herbs or admiring the blooms you've nurtured yourself. Every time you see your vertical planter, you'll be reminded of what you can create with your own hands and a little imagination. It's a daily boost of pride and inspiration. Give it a try and watch your garden grow up, literally. With a bit of effort and creativity, you'll have a thriving vertical oasis that brings joy season after season. Nothing brings a garden to life like birdsong. The gentle melodies of finches, robins, and sparrows create a sense of peace and wonder, transforming any outdoor space into a living, breathing sanctuary. You can easily invite these feathered friends by making a simple bird bath. All you need is a wide terracotta saucer and a sturdy base. An old plant stand or a few stacked stones work great. This project is quick, affordable, and adds instant charm to your garden. Place your bird bath in a quiet, sheltered spot where birds feel safe from predators and harsh weather. Tucked into a leafy corner or beneath a tree, it becomes a peaceful retreat for wildlife. Add a layer of smooth pebbles to the saucer. This keeps the water shallow, making it easy for small birds to drink and bathe, and provides safe perches for them to rest. Fill the saucer with fresh, clean water. Soon, you'll notice not just birds, but also bees and butterflies stopping by for a drink, turning your garden into a hub of activity and life. This easy project transforms your garden into a lively oasis, full of movement and color. The sight of fluttering wings and gentle splashes brings a sense of joy and connection to nature. It's a small gesture, but it invites wildlife and happiness into your space. Watching birds splash and play can lift your spirits and make every day feel a little brighter. Place your bird bath where you can see it from a favorite window. Each morning, enjoy the simple pleasure of watching nature unfold just outside your door. A bird bath is more than just a decorative feature. It's a way to connect with the world around you, fostering a sense of stewardship and appreciation for local wildlife. Take a moment to relax nearby and enjoy the activity and peace it brings. The gentle presence of birds can be calming and restorative. With just a little effort, your garden becomes a shared sanctuary, a welcoming oasis for both you and the wildlife that visits. Add personality to your garden with painted rock markers. Hunt for smooth, flat stones, nature's perfect canvas. Wash and dry them, then paint with acrylics, veggies, herbs, or fun designs. Use a paint pen for plant names and seal with weatherproof varnish. These markers are durable, charming, and practical. It's a fun project for all ages and adds a whimsical touch. Scatter them among your plants for easy identification. Each rock is a tiny piece of art that makes your garden uniquely yours. Enjoy your creative, colorful garden labels season after season. Transform an old tire into a vibrant planter and make a bold statement. Clean the tire thoroughly, then paint it with a bright weatherproof color. Drill drainage holes or add gravel to the bottom. Fill with potting mix and plant flowers or veggies, petunias, marigolds, even potatoes. Place your tire planter in a sunny spot and watch it become a garden focal point. This project keeps tires out of landfills and adds instant color. It's recycling with style and purpose. Turn something ordinary into a vessel for growth. Composting turns kitchen scraps into rich, garden-boosting soil. Build a simple bin from 4 wooden pallets or use a large plastic storage bin with ventilation holes. Alternate layers of greens, veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and browns, leaves, cardboard. Keep the pile moist and turn it every week or two. In a few months, you'll have dark, crumbly compost, black gold for your plants. It's recycling at its best, reducing waste and feeding your garden. Composting is easy, rewarding, and eco-friendly. Start your pile and watch your garden thrive. Nature's cycle, right in your backyard. Grow fresh herbs right on your windowsill with a mason jar herb garden. Add pebbles and a bit of charcoal for drainage, then fill with potting mix. Plant herb seedlings or seeds. Basil, mint, parsley, and rosemary work well. Place jars in a sunny spot and water sparingly. Watch roots grow through the glass and enjoy snipping herbs for meals. It's a simple, beautiful way to bring the garden indoors. Perfect for small spaces and year-round freshness. Enjoy the scent and flavor of homegrown herbs every day. Make watering easy with a DIY drip irrigation system from a plastic bottle. Poke small holes in the sides and bottom, then bury the bottle near your plant or hang it upside down. Fill with water and let it slowly drip to the roots. This saves water, encourages deep roots, and keeps plants hydrated during busy days or heat waves. It's a set-it-and-forget-it solution for healthy plants. Recycle bottles and make your garden care smarter. Simple, effective, and eco-friendly. Give your plants the steady moisture they need. Support climbing plants with a DIY bamboo trellis. Use bamboo stakes and garden twine to create a teepee or fan shape. Push stakes into the soil, tie them at the top, and wrap twine horizontally for extra support. Perfect for beans, peas, or flowering vines. This natural structure blends beautifully into any garden. It's easy, affordable, and helps your plants reach new heights. Build a living wall or green tapestry that changes with the seasons. Give your climbers a sturdy, stylish ladder to grow on. Create a fairy garden in a pot for a touch of magic. Use a shallow container or broken pot to build tiny hills and paths with soil and gravel. Plant small, slow-growing greenery like moss, succulents, or baby's tears. Add miniature accessories, benches, fences, or fairy doors made from natural finds or craft supplies. Arrange your scene and let your imagination run wild. This project is fun for all ages and brings wonder to any space. Even the smallest garden can hold a world of whimsy. Let your creativity shine in miniature. A garden path invites exploration and adds structure. Make stepping stones with concrete and personalize them with pebbles, tiles, or handprints. Plan your path's route, then set stones level with the soil for safety and a polished look. Fill gaps with ground cover or mulch for a soft, finished edge. Each stone becomes a memory and a part of your garden's story. Paths guide you and your guests on new journeys through your sanctuary. It's a simple project with lasting impact. Walk your handmade path and enjoy every step. Transform any blank wall into a lush, living tapestry by maximizing space with hanging gutter planters. These clever planters let you create a vertical garden almost anywhere, even if you're short on ground space. Start by cutting vinyl gutters to your desired length, then attach end caps to keep soil in place. Don't forget to drill drainage holes along the bottom. This step is essential for healthy roots and happy plants. Secure the gutters to a sturdy fence or wall using metal brackets. Stack them vertically, spacing each row to allow sunlight to reach every level and create a beautiful tiered effect that draws the eye upward. Fill each gutter with lightweight potting mix, which helps prevent excess weight and ensures good drainage. Plant shallow-rooted herbs, leafy greens, or trailing flowers for a vibrant, edible, and ornamental display. Strawberries, cascading petunias, and colorful blooms thrive in these planters, turning your wall into a living piece of art that's both practical and beautiful. With just a few simple steps, you can transform a dull, unused wall into a productive, eye-catching feature that brings life and color to your outdoor space. This is a smart, space-saving way to garden vertically, especially if you have a small backyard, patio, or balcony. It's perfect for urban gardeners or anyone looking to add greenery without losing precious floor space. Repurpose old vinyl gutters for a modern, eco-friendly statement. Not only do you save materials from the landfill, but you also create a unique green focal point for your home. Imagine harvesting fresh strawberries or picking flowers right from your own living wall. Beauty and bounty, all within arm's reach. With a wall of flowers, your garden gains a whole new dimension, vibrant, productive, and truly unforgettable. Collect rainwater with a simple barrel system to nourish your garden. Use a food-grade plastic drum, position it on cinder blocks, and connect it to your downspout. Cover the inlet with mesh to keep out debris and mosquitoes. Install a spigot at the bottom for easy access and an overflow outlet near the top. Rainwater is soft, chemical-free, and perfect for plants. Every rainfall refills your personal reservoir. It's sustainable, cost-effective, and easy to set up. Work with nature and make every drop count. There you have it, 12 ways to make your garden truly yours. It's not about perfection, but about creating a space filled with meaning and joy. Try one project or many, and share your results in the comments below. Subscribe for more inspiration, and let's keep growing this creative community together. Until next time, happy gardening. May your hands always find the soil.